Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Disco Kitty, the crappy crafter artist thing. We're going back to my roots. We're gonna play with the craft kit that I got from Ollie's, so that means it's probably a crap kit. But I'm kind of excited because this is meant for kids and it looks like it's wicked simple to do, like super simple. We'll see. I'm excited. It's this. Ollie's, why do you have to use such tackiness? Anyways, well, you get the idea. I should have done that before. Anyways, sand art. So what it looks like you do, get the stickers off my hands. So what it looks like you do is you choose a thing, and then each section has a pre-glued, it's all probably double stick tape, and all you do is you peel off a little section, and then you pour the sand on, and then you just let it go. That's just it. I'm super excited. Let's just get right into it. Okay, getting right into it. This is gonna be a pretty quick video, which I'm sure you have already determined, because, you know, not quite 7 minutes long is probably one of the shorter videos I've had. But anyway, look at all the sand I'm getting. I don't think I got that much sand with those sand art bottles that I got, but I don't remember. That was a while ago. I don't know. Do you guys remember that? That was a while ago. But look at all the cute things. Alright, so the way this works is it's like just a double-sided, or it's just a big piece of tape. Just a big giant piece of tape. I keep saying double-sided, but it's really not. And this is times a whole hell of a lot, because it was pretty finicky work. And the top of the bucket was part of the grass. So I lost the handle on that, but you know, whatever. There were a couple pieces that I missed here and there that, you know, it was my first time. Like the top of the bucket, there were 2 pieces, maybe even 4 pieces on the top of the bucket, but I managed to screw that up. And I should have done the bees' feet in different colors so that they would be more delineated, but I didn't. I will learn, hopefully, the next one that I do, which will be with mica powders, because as I do this voiceover, I have already done that, although I haven't decided if I'm going to post it next week or not. I may save it off for a while. I don't know. We'll see. Do you want to see it next week? I don't know. It's ready to go. As ready as this one is right now, anyway. But yeah, did you see that? I did a little gradient thing with the sky and it came out so good. The only thing I don't like about this is that I like black lines delineating my sections of color. But other than that, I think this came out really good. Look how cute that is. Look at how cute that is. I think that came out cute. Yeah. Well, that was not quite what I was expecting, but it came out in the end, I guess. Here it is. And I did take it downstairs to my basement, and I sprayed the hell out of it with a matte top coat so that no more of the sand would shed, because it will if I didn't. So here it is. I think I did pretty cool with the sky thing here, with the little gradient thing going on. What do you think? That was actually not a horrible thing to do. I am definitely going to do another one. Whether I do it for you on camera or not, I haven't decided yet, but probably. The answer is likely, honestly. If I run out of ideas, I'll have this as a backup. And you know what? It wasn't that bad. I kind of liked it. Get yourself a pair of real sharp tweezers, and you can get in there. Whoops. Get the paper off. Maybe don't do it the way I did it, though. Maybe do the little bits first, and then do the big bits. Don't do the grass first. That was not a good idea. Do the little things first. Yeah. But yeah, so I've got buckets of the sand left over. Buckets and buckets of it. I even have a little glitter left over, but you know, who cares? Glitter. One thing I might try do in the future is I do have a lot of glitters. Maybe I'll do one of these with all glitter. Maybe I'll do one of these with mica powders. I'm kind of interested in doing one of these with mica powders. Do you want to see that? I feel like that would be very floofy, not fluffy, very floofy and messy and gross. And I'm kind of into it. I kind of like the idea of it. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like this is just a giant piece of double-sided tape, and I could take off the other side too, but it's very shiny. And you can see where the whisper cuts weren't, you know, they went through in a couple of places. Kind of like I did when I was painting with washi tape, which we're gonna do again soon sometime also. But what do you think? Should I do it with the sand that I have left over? Should I do it with a whole bunch of glitter? Should I do it with mica powder? What do you think? I'm definitely gonna do one with mica powder. I might do one with glitter. We'll see how it goes. Let me know what you think. Talk to me in the comments. Let's have a discussion. And with all that being said and done, until next week, stay safe.